Makiaria thutha wa kĩgomano kĩa ahunjia arĩa makoragwo rungu rwa iburi rĩa kanjo ya makanitha NCCK nĩ mareganĩte na wendia wa mbunge na thirikari wa kwamũra obithaa angĩ a thirikari makĩmũrĩka itua rĩa kwamũrwo kwa anini a mamĩnĩsta.
When the treasury is saying the country is broke, we should not be seeing creation of additional positions for a few, so that they can earn salaries and allowances. So we would ask and urge Parliament and all the state officers involved in that initiative to shelve it until when Kenya is able to pay its obligations, both in terms of debt and in terms of providing services to Kenyans.
Mwandiki munene wa NCCK Canon Chris Kinyanjui augite kanitha ni ireganite na kwendio gwa kambuni na honge imwe cia thirikari ituike cia kuramatwo ni kambuni cia andu kiumbe.
We remind all that seeds are the foundation of food security, and therefore the proposed privatization of Kenya Seed Company should be stopped. On our part as NCCK, we continue to build the capacity of community members to adopt conservation agriculture. We are also using church compound as demonstration sites for adaptive agriculture practices as well as agroforestry. Let us all join hands to ensure that Kenya is food secure and no Kenyan sleeps hungry.
Gũkĩrĩ ũguo, kanitha yũrĩtie thirikari gũthinga marima marĩa mbeca cia mũingĩ ciũragĩra na kũmenyithagia mũingĩ mĩbango ya thirikari ya gũkomba mbeca nĩguo mũingĩ gũtaũkĩrwo nĩ mathirĩ ma bũrũri.
Excessive borrowing that is not in accordance with the law, that is not oversighted by Parliament, who are the representative, we still believe that there is no taxation without representation. So we must live within our means, and we must stop the theft, and we must all work together. This is not a responsibility of National Treasury, it's a responsibility of every Kenyan to save our country and to make sure that the little money that we are raising through taxes does not end up in pockets of a few.
Harĩ matua ma mĩario ya gũcokanĩrĩria bũrũri marĩa riboti ĩrĩgĩrĩirwo gũtwarwo mbunge-inĩ ya bũrũri kwarĩrĩrio, kanjo ya NCCK yendekithĩtie mũingĩ ũgiritanio na mĩario ya thayũ na ũiguithanio na mendekithia ma mĩario ĩyo. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, njĩtagwo Charles Gĩkunga wa Kariũki.